I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and I'm on board Swift. Swift is a 2000 Grand Banks 46 Classic. She's a special boat to me because I used to captain this boat up and down the coast of Maine for her current owner. Swift has the preferred layout with the galley down and 2 staterooms, 2 full heads with separate shower stalls. The aft master has the walk-around island queen berth that everyone loves, and she's equipped with the Caterpillar 3208 diesel engines, as well as a hydraulic bow thruster and fin stabilizers. She's got brand new Garmin touchscreen electronics and an electric dinghy davit. As I mentioned, Swift is a special boat to me. I've spent a lot of hours up on this fly bridge here, running around the coast of Maine. Just put the new touchscreen electronics on board. Great visibility from up here. Heading inside the salon. Got a Samsung TV. Ice maker. Lower helm is a full helm. Got another touchscreen Garmin. And a side entry door, which makes it very easy to dock. You have side entry doors on both sides. Easy to access your panel here. Moving down below to the galley, there's a princess stove and oven combo. Gruner. Microwave. Upper fridge. Lower fridge. This is a huge V-berth with your washer and dryer access here. Makes it a very easy laundry room. Fold the clothes here on the berth. Moving aft into the master, got a centerline queen and a little desk over here. We have access onto the aft deck. Samsung TV there. Big, huge hanging locker. To port, you've got your head. This has the separate shower stall to starboard. Lots of room, storage in there. Move back out on deck. Starboard side, we've got a davit and an AV dinghy with a Yamaha 15 horse outboard. Great aft deck here, and the LAS for storage, and your swim platform. If you have any questions about Swift, feel free to call, text, or email with the contact information below the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.